If you've been searching online for financial help for veterans, you might have seen ads or websites talking about veteran debt assistance programs. Some of these services claim they can reduce your debt, consolidate payments, or even eliminate balances completely. But this raises an important question. Is veteran debt assistance something you actually need in 2026? Or is it just another financial service that might not be worth it? Let's break it down. First, it's important to understand what veteran debt assistance usually refers to. In most cases, it's not an insurance policy and not a government benefit. Instead, it's typically a private financial service that helps veterans manage or restructure debt such as credit cards, personal loans, or medical bills. These companies may offer services like debt consolidation, negotiation with creditors, or structured repayment plans. The idea behind these programs is that if a veteran is struggling with high-interest debt, the company works with lenders to try to reduce interest rates or create a more manageable payment plan. However, there's something very important to know. There is no official government program that simply erases credit card or personal debt for veterans. The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs only provides relief for specific debts related to VA benefits, such as overpayments or certain medical bills. That means any advertisement claiming complete veteran debt forgiveness should be viewed very carefully. In fact, financial experts warn that veterans are often targeted by debt relief scams. Some companies use patriotic branding or military language to gain trust quickly, promising to eliminate debt or provide instant financial relief. In reality, many of these services simply charge high fees to negotiate with creditors, something people could often attempt themselves. Common red flags include promises to erase debt quickly or completely large upfront fees before any service is provided. Aggressive sales calls pushing you to enroll immediately in online veteran communities. Many people also warn others to be cautious about these programs. Some say that certain services simply bundle your debts into one payment plan and charge additional fees, while others question whether some companies are legitimate at all. That said, not every service in this space is fake. Some legitimate debt management companies or nonprofit credit counselors can help veterans negotiate lower interest rates, create payment strategies, or build financial plans. There are also real debt relief efforts specifically for veterans, but they usually come from nonprofit organizations or special initiatives rather than commercial programs. For example, some partnerships and charity initiatives have wiped out millions of dollars in medical debt for veterans in recent years. So, do you actually need veteran debt assistance in 2026? The honest answer is only in certain situations. If a veteran is struggling with large amounts of high interest debt and doesn't know how to manage it. Speaking with a reputable nonprofit credit counselor or financial advisor could be helpful. But paying a random company that promises instant debt forgiveness is usually not necessary and sometimes risky. In many cases, safer options include talking to a credit counseling agency, contacting lenders directly to negotiate payment plans, using budgeting and debt management tools, exploring benefits or financial assistance programs available to veterans. In short, veteran debt assistance isn't an insurance product and it isn't a magic solution. Some services can help with financial planning, but others may simply charge fees without delivering real value. If you ever see an ad promising instant veteran debt forgiveness, that's usually a sign to investigate carefully before signing up. If you want, I can also show you 5 common financial scams targeting veterans in 2026. Some of them are surprisingly common online.